it's me again. Today we're looking at pictures of birds. Yes, it might sound weird, but yeah, I want to look up birds. Oh, I was looking it up earlier because I was actually looking at the birds, but this time I'm gonna refresh the page and look at it with all you guys. Let's go to images. Okay, let's just look at all these beautiful birds. Yes, I like these birds a lot. Yeah, these birds are pretty nice. Just to look at these makes me satisfied. Okay, there's so many on here. Now I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna look at them again because they're so amazing. Are my eyes deceiving me? Is this true? Is this an illegal seagull? Look at its face. It's made of pure evil. It's an illegal seagull. Never trust it. It's evil. It's evil. It's gonna get us all. It's an illegal seagull. Don't trust it. He's evil. Okay, guys, I need to end this video right now so you can't suffer the pain of looking at him anymore. Know what? I'm just gonna switch to this page. Know what? You guys deserve to look at this rainbow bird. A rainbow parrot-like thing. It looks like a parrot, but it's like a rainbow one. So I'm gonna show you this until the video ends. Okay, the video is ending right now. Goodbye.